The sections that are leveled against Mr. Paras Singh in this case are quite serious in nature. The first being section 124A, which talks about sedition, or in ये section में this is very serious section wherein a punishment could be for life imprisonment. Good evening, viewers. First of all, I would like to thank my friend Mr. Amit for giving me this opportunity to express my personal opinion before the general public through your news channel. As every one of us are conversant with the racist video made by one Mr. Paras Singh from Punjab, if I'm not wrong. Mr. Paras on his video has passed racial comment on Honorable MLA from Pasikot, Mr. Nenong Iring, calling him to be Chinese, and further he has commented that Arunachal is a part of China. This juvenile statement made by Mr. Paras Singh against another fellow citizen is very saddening and highly condemnable and not at all tolerable. And in this regard, I have been asked few questions by my friend. Let me read out the questions first before the viewers. उनका पहला क्वेश्चन है कि since Paras Singh is already in police custody, what will be the next step by the police official? This is the first question. Let me read out the questions first. There are a few questions, or 3-4 questions. Second question is, he will be brought to Arunachal Pradesh for further interrogation. If yes, what action will be taken against him by the law? तीसरा है, what are the charges that are put against him? Please explain a little about the IPC charges that are put against him. और चौथा है, you are an Arunachali, how do you take the entire incident? As we see and hear through social media platforms like Facebook and WhatsApp, that Arunachal police have already reached Punjab, and they will be taking custody of Mr. Paras, and then they'll be bringing him to Arunachal for further interrogation, and it will be followed by legal procedures like recording of confessional statement under section 161 Code of Criminal Procedure by police, and recording of confessional statement under section 164 by the magistrate, and further the seizure that has to be made, for example, seizing of his mobile and other relevant evidences, and it will also be followed by calling of witnesses who can witness or who can give depositions regarding this case, and I suppose a victim will also be called by the police officer or investigating authority to record his statement, and thereafter the investigating authority will thoroughly be investigating the case. Then thereafter, after completion of the investigation, the investigating authority will be filing the charge sheet before the honorable court, the court which will try the case. And the sections that are leveled against Mr. Paras Singh in this case are quite serious in nature. The first being section 124A, which talks about sedition, or in ये section में this is very serious section wherein a punishment could be for life imprisonment or and less than 3 years. और दूसरा section इसमें है section 153A, which talks about promoting enmity between different groups on ground of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, etc., and doing acts prejudicial to maintenance of harmony. ये section भी, there are 3 sections that has been so far have been put by the police, as I see in blogs by different people in social media. The first section, as I've already read out, section 124A, the second being 153A, the third is section 505 subclause 2. this, as I've already said, these sections are very serious, and all the sections are non-bailable, and there's very severe punishment. और ये पहला जो section है उसके बारे में तो I've already told कि like there could be life imprisonment if a person is found to have committed the offense. And in second section, that is 153 A, इस section में भी punishment है 3 years and fine. और तीसरा section है section 505 subclause 2, which talks about statement conducing to public mischief. Subclause 2 talks about statement creating or promoting enmity, hatred or ill will between classes. इसमें भी punishment है 3 years का और fine भी हो सकता है. These are the 3 sections that we see in social media platform that Mr. Paras Singh have been booked. And in this regard, I also think that Mr. Paras Singh should also be booked under the relevant law, that being SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 and Information Technology Act 2000, because he has misused the social media platform. For that, he should be booked under Information Technology Act. And this very act of racial discrimination has been done against a person who belongs to ST scheduled tribe, so he must be booked under there's a relevant law, that is SC and ST Atrocities Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. You are in Arunachal. How do you take the entire incident? सबसे पहले तो मैं I would like to appreciate my friend advocate HK Jamo, जिन्होंने initiative लिया और he has lodged an FIR about the racist video that has been made by Mr. Paras. And if I say something about racism, I'm 100% sure जो भी स्टूडेंट और जो भी अरुणाचली हो या कोई भी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न सिटीजन हो, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से बाहर गया होगा, तो I'm 100% श्योर कि लाइक एक भी ऐसा बंदा नहीं रहा होगा जो रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का पीरियड ना हुआ हो. Everyone, let it be any person from North East, I'm 100% sure that they would have all been a victim of racism. I have personally faced that, and I'm sure my friends would have I've witnessed my friends facing racism. लेकिन इस बार क्या हुआ है कि हमारा जो एक माना जाना व्यक्ति, एक ऑनरेबल MLA जो भूतपूर्व संसद के मेंबर रह चुका है, मेंबर पार्लियामेंट रह चुका है, तो उनके खिलाफ एक कमेंट पास किया, तो वो काफ़ी वायरल हो चुका है. इसलिए इनके खिलाफ जो अभी जो सोशल मीडिया में काफ़ी चर्चा हो रहा है, लेकिन कितना हज़ारों लाखों जो केसेस देखे बिना मतलब अनदेखा करके मतलब ख़त्म हो चुका है. इसलिए I strongly condemn the video or the comments that has been passed by Mr. Paras Singh against our honorable MLA Mr. Nirong Iring. और उनको सज़ा तो मिलना ही चाहिए, जो कानूनन सज़ा मिलना ही चाहिए, ताकि कोई दूसरा पारस सिंह ना निकले और कोई दूसरा हमारा जो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न सिटीजन्स है वो मेनलैंड इंडिया में जाके पीड़ित ना हो. और उसके बाद इनफैक्ट आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू ए ब्लॉग बाय मिस्टर Karkin Yomcha, a very fine YouTuber. I think he's also known as MR11. उन्होंने भी एक कल या परसों उनका ब्लॉग था, उसमें बोला था कि दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट द फॉल्ट ऑफ मिस्टर पारस सिंह. पारस सिंह का तो गलती है ही है, लेकिन इसमें गलती जो हमारा सरकार का भी गलती है, क्योंकि हमारा जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट को लेके हमारा जो इंडियन किसी भी टेक्स्ट बुक में CBSE का हो या किसी भी टेक्स्ट बुक में हमारा जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जिक्र है ही नहीं. वी कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आवर नेशनल एंथम जन गण मन, तो उसमें भी इवन इन दैट देयर इज नो मेंशन ऑफ अरुणाचल और नॉर्थ ईस्ट, जबकि बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया उसका जिक्र होता है. तो जो मेनलैंड इंडिया में जो बच्चे रहते हैं, तो उनको तो पता ही नहीं होगा कि अरुणाचल कहाँ पे, क्योंकि वो टेक्स्ट बुक में आता ही नहीं. तो इसमें सरकार का भी गलती है. मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि सरकार को भी कुछ कदम उठाना चाहिए. कुछ द गवर्नमेंट मस्ट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग सम चेंजेस in the textbook of Indian textbook, जहाँ पे where like the mention of Northeast India should also be there, so that the children's dwelling in metropolitan cities would also know that there's a place called Arunachal. There's a beautiful 8 states in Northeast India, जहाँ पे who are also Indians, and then they don't look like a mainland Indian, but they're also Indian. They're part and parcel of India. उसके बाद मिस्टर पारस सिंह ने और दूसरा एक कमेंट किया है कि गूगल मैप को he has also said that Arunachal is part of China, even after seeing that in a map that Arunachal is very much there. तो इस विषय में भी बोलना चाहूँगा कि अरुणाचल को देखते हुए भी उन्होंने ये कमेंट पास किया कि अरुणाचल मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है, तो अरुणाचल लगता है कि चाइनीज़ का ही लैंड है. तो this statement made by Mr. Paras Singh is also very what do I say, very पूरा बचपना वाला बात बोला है उन्होंने. तो इस विषय में भी काफ़ी स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन लेना चाहिए उनको, क्योंकि हमारा जो अरुणाचल जो जगह है, I am proud to be an Indian, and यहाँ उतना तक छोड़िए, हमारे यहाँ पे अरुणाचल में they are so patriotic that even an illiterate person can sing national anthem. They say Jai Hind, they greet each other saying Jai Hind. तो उतना तक होता है. अनपढ़ भी जनगण मन गाता है, हर कोई हिंदी में बात करता है, फिर भी हमारा हर दिन देखा जाता है कि रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है ड्यूरिंग दिस सच टफ टाइम. तो कोविड से हम जूझ ही रहा है कि दूसरा जो रेसिज्म से जूझ रहा है. तो इस विषय में भी, क्योंकि अरुणाचल इज़ अ वेरी सेंसिटिव एरिया और स्टेट, जहाँ पे चाइनीज़ दे आर इलीगली क्लेमिंग दैट दिस पार्ट ऑफ लैंड इज़ देयर लैंड, विच वी हैव बीन कंडेमिंग, और we proudly say that Arunachal is integral part of India, and then we are proud to be an Indian. Or I appeal to the arresting authority or the investigating authority to investigate the case very thoroughly, and I appeal that it must be made sure that the person, if Mr. Paras Singh is found to be guilty of an offense, then he has to pay the price. With these few words, I would like to conclude my video. Jai Hind.